So hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Today Philips Series 1000, that is body groom, means trims body hair and protects skin even in sensitive areas. You can see I am unboxing. Yeah, I ordered from Amazon especially. Its price comes with 1195. You can see that it is the front in the box. As I can show you horizontal, it is a much better. It comes with Philips Series 1000 body groom, which trims body hair, protects skin even in sensitive areas, and no need to replace the blades. Now moving to the side, it gets with 100% shower proof, no need to replace blades, one combo 3 mm and into 3 battery, show card for easy storage. So moving to the back, that is, you can see I have shown everything. I will show. Do not skip the video. Please like, subscribe. It protects skin even in sensitive areas as well as underarms, private parts and body. The stomach, you can see where they have shown the images in the stomach, chest, and you can wash. It is 100% shower proof, means it is washable. Now let's unbox it fast as soon as possible. Unboxing. So as soon as we unbox it, it comes with firstly shell. That is, basically they have told it includes 3 AA batteries for optional performance. Use high cool cat pop. Philips alkaline battery. So opening, first comes with a trimmer as you saw, and it comes with a cards, that is documentation of guarantee card. So I think there is no guarantee, there is a warranty, I think so. But I will show everything. 1 minute, just a minute, I will showing that time once. Please subscribe. And here you see it's a warranty card, not guarantee card. So it comes with a warranty card. That's one, that is it. Basically it comes with 2 years of warranty, it is, which is quite good. I have shown in the box and opening everything in the box which is there. So wait please. Already told in the first they have given 3 batteries, 2 are there and 1 is on my hand, you can see. And with inside there is nothing, as I will shown everything on open. You can see the price may difference, so you can see and buy. In the offers it will come mainly under 1000 rupees. So but I have got it for 1195. You no need to worry. So please like, subscribe for this types of unboxing of tech review. So I will show you how the trimmer works and remove. Firstly, they have isn't given a battery, as I am telling. It is a Philips of series 1000 of Bodygroom skin protection system. It comes with one combo, that is I have shown in 3 mm of blade and shower cord. Basically they have given a guard on the front for sensitive areas. You can must and use the guards. So I am removing the battery and everything. So they have isn't given a shell, I have putting in the shell. So you can see how I am putting. You can also see and take this cream. This is the best under 1000. Mainly it comes with 1000 of 100. Who is seeing these videos, who are seeing these videos, I am requesting them, please subscribe and make me 1000 subscribers and make my monetization on. Please, I am struggling more and more, as you can see showing. It's a quite fine and nice trimmer under 1195 you can buy. And if you are holding somewhere or keeping anywhere, you can, they have given just a back rubber. You can place it on nuts or nails wherever you are in your home hanging. Is there any system, you can place easily. For me it is the best choice. And please like, subscribe channel if you are here. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next video. Until then, like, subscribe, please share as much as possible. I have showing everything and detailed guide. Please watch it and like. Thank you so much for it. Bye bye. See you in next video. Like it please.